Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust 2008 Honda Accord headlights. Park on level ground facing a flat wall about 25 feet away and mark the headlight centers on the wall. Loosen the adjustment screws slightly, then turn each screw slowly while checking beam height. Aim for the manufacturer's recommended pattern and test in low and high beams. Take your time and make small adjustments until alignment looks even and safe. Start with the basics. Open the hood and identify the headlamp housing and two adjustment screws. Use a Phillips and 10 mm socket to loosen trim if needed, and use tape to mark the center lines on the wall. Switch on low beams and check the current pattern from 25 feet away, then adjust the vertical screw first, followed by the horizontal screw, making small turns and verifying symmetry between both headlights. Keep consistent measurement distances and use the vehicle's centerline for reference when marking the wall. Aim for the beam cutoff to sit slightly below the headlight center and to the right a few inches to avoid blinding oncoming drivers. After adjustments, test at night on real road and recheck after a short drive to ensure vibrations did not alter alignment, and make minor tweaks if needed for perfect balance overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.